Welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Polecat, and this is BB gun review. Now up today, we just move the mag so that way YouTube doesn't have a cow, even though they're probably going to have a cow. But this here is the GLOCK17, but this is an amazing BB gun. It's got this blowback piece here, so let's go over here so I can show you. I have a target up yard, probably about 10 yards, 15 yards. And this is something that I like too about this, is the slide back, of course. This switch here, which I don't think you all can see, this white dot here, there's a switch there that is used as the safety. So now you see the red dot, that means it's ready to fire. You look at the trigger, I'm going to hold my finger under the trigger so I can't push it. There's this lever, there's the top lever there that I push down, and then there's the main trigger. As you can see, I'm not holding this piece down, but I pull it, it doesn't fire. That's because that's another safety feature on the BB gun to prevent it from accidental shooting. The way you fire it, and I'm going to aim it back this way and away from my face. Pull that trigger. There's tons of different ways you can hold it. You can hold it like this here. You can hold it like this. Preferably my favorite, put the safety on, and then put the slide back. This to this. Hold your hands like this, so when you aim it downfield, you got both hands on the gun. If this was a real firearm, holding it like this is not a good way because you got that recoil. This has it, but it doesn't have it as strong. So, safety off. That right there, that is something that I love about this BB gun, is when you go out of ammo, I very well could have just emptied the mag, but when you run out of ammo, the slide comes back. Now you gotta watch your skin being under this slide, because you can get something called slide bite. It does not feel good. Having it with the BB gun is a lot less probable than a real Glock or any real gun. But what happens is when that slide comes out, it can nip your skin right there and very well could rip some of your skin off, and that don't feel good when that happens. I've had it happen to me about 6 times in my whole lifetime of shooting guns. But this BB gun is one of the best. And I think I only paid about $115 for the gun itself. Obviously I didn't think through what I was going to say for this video, so let me go reload it. I'll be right back. There's also another thing that I like about these guns, is that, let me pull that back, never do what I just did there. Let me pull that back. Never do that. That is a dangerous thing to do to turn your barrel towards you. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. But if you look here, shit. If you look there, 17. And this is fucking mosquitoes. We just had rain, so it's really bad for mosquitoes. But the thing about that number, I could be wrong, but I think that it is the same for the real Glocks. The number gun, so there's GLOCK17, GLOCK18, GLOCK19, is how many your mag can hold. How many rounds your mag can hold. So let's do a couple fire shots. There's the target. Range shot. We're zoomed in. You can see where it has these overlap flaps. These are the exits. Rotate it. These are the entrances. You can see I skimmed one there.